Hey there, ready to streamline your browsing experience and cut down on distractions? Today, I've got a quick video to help you do just that. We'll be diving into how to hide or disable images on Google Chrome for your PC. Let's jump right in. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. Then spot the trusty three-dot icon nestled in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it to kick things off. Next up, hit Settings from the menu that pops up. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate over to the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. Now look for Site Settings and give it a click. Scroll down a tad until you reach the Content section. If you don't immediately spot the Images option, don't sweat it. Just click on it, Additional Content Settings, to reveal more options. From there, locate and click on Images. You're almost there. Now simply select Don't Allow Sites to Show Images, and that's it. From now on, when you visit any website, images will be a thing of the past. So, that's the lowdown on how to disable or hide images in Google Chrome on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.